Welcome to Vedic Astrology. This is the reading for Fire Trine for August 2023 from my Lenormand pack, which I usually use the 9 card spread to bring to you a little bit of potential, a little bit of possibilities with the help of the Almighty Bhagwan. So here we go, Fire Trine. You have the cards being put out here for you for our reading, and I immediately see in the central figure, the central card for you, Fire Trine, the anchor. And the anchor deals with stability. The anchor deals with long-term roots. So this is what is telling me right now. Probably that's what you want, that's what you're having here in the present. And spades is all about dependability, public interest, work, structure, organizations, business, so that you are going to have some kind of stability within your work structure, within your business. In the past, the mountain, the clouds, the birds, there was a lot of obstacles that were not seen. The clouds here, hid a lot of things from you. And this is clubs, King of Clubs, 8 of Clubs. And clubs is about responsibilities, obligations, complications. And that's what the mountain and the clouds tells you here. It's all about complications. So you had complications that were hidden from you. You couldn't see it properly. Birds here, number 7, it talks about deception. So that there was a lot of deceiving things in the past. There are a lot of things that were hidden from you that created obstacles, that brought complications, a lot of unseen things. But here in the present, you have abundance, you have prosperity, you have stability, you have long-term roots, and you have loyalty. The dog is all about loyalty and loyal friends. So whatever that was in the past, you need to put it behind you. You overcame it because your present says you are going to have prosperity, stability, and loyalty. Where did that come out from? From all of these things that are happening in the past. It all has to do with how you decided and what you dealt with. And probably you dealt nothing, you didn't deal with anything. Probably you let the waters flow as they may, and you just followed what you were required to do. But whatever you did in the past, even though there were obstacles and things unseen and betrayal and deception, you have come out on top smiling. And you are going to have some crossroads in the future. News will bring you to those crossroads. A gentleman in your life, or some person in your life, because this is gender neutral, because we also have the lady, which follows this number 28, so that we treat this as a gender neutral. Somebody in your life is going to bring news to you that will take you to that crossroad, and you would have to make choices in the future. But that's the future. Right now it's a good place for you. Right now you should have abundance, and abundance is prosperity in whatever means and mode or mechanism that you require. The anchor brings you stability, and as I said, spades is about dependability, business, work. So that is whatever you have to deal with in your organization, with your job. If you're self-employed, if you're working for somebody, it's a good time. That is what is bringing you that abundance. That is what is giving you this loyalty here. So you shouldn't have any issues right now, Fire Trine. And recall, Fire Trine, you are Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius. So this is the reading. A little bit of good news, a little bit of pep talk, a little seeing of, it's all is normal. You have overcome what you should. You are in a good place. There are some things that may happen in the future that you will have to make decisions on, but someone will be there to guide you and support you, because this Ace of Hearts is all about new beginnings, and new beginnings in terms of support relationship, you know. And you have Hearts here with the Rider, and the Rider is about news, messages, visitors, so that somebody's going to come into your life that is going to support you, and you will have to, you know, make a decision about this. You know, do you want to continue as you are in present, with this loyalty, with this stability, with this abundance? Is this person going to add value or become an asset for you or to you? You know, those are some of these decisions that you would have to make. Nothing too hectic, nothing too dangerous that I'm seeing. You know, it's a good time for you, fire Trine. And let us see what your mental capacity and capability is, so that you may need to adapt if you have to. And let us see what your moon card is for this period. And your moon card here is the Cow, and it says a new beginning or even a new life may be blooming. So, are you looking forward to pregnancy, or is your partner pregnant, or are you hoping your partner is blooming? Cow, fertility, new life. And you know, the cow in Vedic astrology is that sacred animal that brings you sustenance, that brings you food, that brings you protection. The cow, Kamadenu, can transform into so many things that could assist you and guide you and help you. So that this is a new beginning. And Ace here is all about a new beginning. So that a relationship may bring you new life. A new life for yourself, or a new life in whatever relationship you have, can be blooming in the future. So you know, it's there, it's aligning. And this is your reading, Fire Trine, for August 2023 from Vedic Astrology.